One of the biggest traditions in Denmark is Christmas. It's a very lovely time. The reason why we celebrate Christmas is because Jesus was born. Jesus is God's son. The tradition is celebrated in December and it starts the 1st December and lasts until the 24th. Up to Christmas there is a lot of markets and a lot of lights that light up when it gets dark, and it's so beautiful.
When we think of Christmas, we think winter, cold outside, warm inside, Danish Christmas atmosphere with mulled wine, hot chocolate, apple slices, snow and sweet Christmas cakes.
The snow is a big part of the Danish Christmas, and we always hope for a white Christmas. This is a picture we took last December. The traditional Danish Christmas meal is roasted pork, boiled potatoes, red cabbage and gravy. For dessert it is cold rice pudding with whipped cream, vanilla, almonds and hot cherry sauce. It is called risalamande.
Fritters are a Danish delicacy primarily consisting of pancake batter that in an apple dumpling pan, fried in bullet form. Fritters enjoyed warm, usually with powdered sugar and jam.
Approximately 500 years ago in Riga and Litva, some coastmen took a spruce tea and then it decorated and then it danced around it. Then the story came to the South Germany, where they also took the tradition to them. We in Denmark got to see it through Danish and German families.